It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? But if it's raining in Manila, hindi kita maririnig. So I'll be waiting in Manila kahit di ka na babalik.
Look, that whale is smoking a panda.
Let's go. Everywhere. Yeah. You get sa Grab and then doon mga food. Let's go, girl! Oh my God. Isahan mo na ang championship yan. Ay! Oh my God. Hindi po sense, girl. Hindi po sense yan. Sensitive. Dili mo siya pwede mataas.
Now, back to your turn. You're gonna untap everything first, all of it, and then you draw a card.
Oh, I got an ogre.
And don't cast it.
Okay.
You know why?
Yeah.
Resolve all your red. You just attack with the flyers. He doesn't have anything to block.
That's true.
And you win. This is a gap.
Well done. Wait. Beginner's luck.
So basically, magic is
You guys,
Yeah.
Conquest shirt and support this artist. He throws you on the spot.
Ah, that's so cute. But how much is the Conquest shirt? 500.
That's like bundle with jacket.
Oh,
Very clean jacket.
that is nice. Next year we will have a booth.
Yes.
Yes, yes, right? Yeah. Okay.
And I bought this from Sanina.
Oh,
Sanina.
okay.
I don't know. They're just Chinese. They're Mickey Mouse.
Binigyan niya ako ng ano. BL. Yes. It's from Zarina.
May ano dun? There's
Bernina. Okay. Best in footsteps.
Ba sila karat ka na?
Nandun sila Zin, pero naglakad-lakad pa. Ah,
Picture lang.
or it will be down to a 1v1. The winner of that will have the grand prize of an RGB mouse pad.
And kiss.
Tumayo ka pare. We're not kissing anybody here. All right. Now, peace tayo. And in this Jack and Poy Battle Royale, you guys will play Jack and Poy with each other. And whoever wins, you'll play on, or dito kayo sa left side namin, dito sa stage. Right here, on this side. Winner side to ha. Winner side, give that feminine side. And then loser side will be on Burger King. Okay?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I think this little guy's actually having a chance.
Damn, okay.
Alright, we're gonna have to have our 1v1 right now. But first,
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I would like to ask the last two competitors a few questions. Basic camera. Hey Maggie, why don't you join me a little bit here? Alright, so I have Maggie Carp right here with one of our last contenders here. And I'd just like to say, or I would like to ask, how are you doing right now? Do you have anything to say to Maggie right now? If you on the stage right now with us.
Yeah, actually, we should exit this thing.
That's perfect. Yeah, I guess you can go there,
I feel
Maggie.
like it's gonna be so
You can get over
intense.
here.
Okay.
Alright,
Stay on
well.
the side, the loser's side.
Okay, now before we go, I would like to ask Maggie, who's your prediction for this grand final?
Well, obviously him, because he had something to say to me, at least.
Oh! Alright.
Okay, it's okay.
Alright, well, we'll see if your favorite will be winning this grand final.
Yeah, I have no
1v1.
favorites, okay, but yeah.
Yeah, alright. Well, it's the best of one.
Really?
Yeah, it
Best
is.
of one?
Yeah, it's locked in. Alright, 1v1, and it starts in 3, 2, 1, Jack and Boy! Yes! Oh! And the winner!
Nice try, bro. Nice try.
Alright.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, you are the
You
winner!
are the Apex champion.
Nice, alright. Well, because you won the Jack and Boy Battle Royale, you just won an RGB mouse pad given to you by Predator!
And it's right over.
Alright, well.
Where is it? Where is it?
Yeah, let me give it to you.
there it is.
Oh, it's right
over
there!
here. I'm like, no one wants to claim it. It's fine. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Oh, Maggie. Alright. Alright.
Thank you for supporting.
Thank you so much.
Maggie, can you
Congratulations.
come to the center right here? So, that was a pretty